Hare Krishna, we welcome all of you to the Bhagavad Gita Shloka Mastery course. We shall continue with Shloka 1.20. Yeah, so we shared till Shloka 1.19 and now we'll continue with Shloka 1.20. So let me share the PPT with you. Okay, here you go. Before we start, let us start with the prayers. ॐ ज्ञानतिमिरन्दस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरुवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनोभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपः कदा मह्यं ददाति स्वापदन्तिकं। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरुः श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरुन् वैष्णवांश श्रीरूपं सागरजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्णापृष्ठाय भूतले श्रीमते भक्तिवेदान्त स्वामिनिति नामिने नमस्ते सरस्वते देवे गौरवाणी प्रचारिणे निर्विशेषा शून्यवादी पाश्चात्य देशतारिणे जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधार शिवासादि गौर भक्त वृंदा हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 रामा राम राम हरे हरे। जगन्नाथ बलदेव सुभद्रा मैया की जय। शील प्रभुपाद की जय। निताई और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि बोल। Okay, so let us continue with shloka 1.20. Now in 1.20 shloka, it is, Arjuna is seated in the chariot and now the chariot is described. Yeah, his flag is being spoken about, his horses are being spoken about. And there is a special mention of Hanuman on his flag. Yeah. So how come Hanuman came on his flag? So let us have a little, I will give you a little small background about how Hanuman came on his flag. So once what happened is that, Arjuna, when he was on a pilgrimage and he was at Rameshwaram, so he was performing, so he was just thinking, when he was seeing the Ram Setu there at the end of, Bharatvarsha, when this Ram Setu was being built, he was just wondering how come, Ram involved, needed a big army of monkeys to build the Setu. I mean, he could have just taken his bow and arrow and built a very strong, Setu. So just wondering that. And so then Hanuman was there, right? So Hanuman is Chiranjeevi. So whichever yugas is there, Hanuman is already there. He just stripped of the yuga. So Hanuman was there. And Hanuman was, really nice that, Arjun had this doubt in his mind. So Hanuman came to Arjun. I mean, he came in a disguise of a small little monkey. So he came to Arjun and he told Arjun that, yes, I think I understand what is going on in your mind. And Ram did not build the thing because, these monkeys were so heavy that, they could not have, the bridge could not have taken that load. Like that he said. So then Arjun said that, is there in building the bridge? Ram is, known for his, being the best warrior and being an expert in all this. So how come? So he still the doubts were there in his mind. He said, even I can build the, this bridge. So Hanuman said, okay, I challenge you. If you build the bridge and if I jump on the bridge and if the bridge breaks, then, you should be punished or, you should atone for whatever your doubts, the bad thoughts that came in your mind. Said, okay, if I build the bridge and you break the bridge, yeah, that is what Arjun says, yeah, then I will enter into fire. So Arjun, with his bow and arrow, he builds a big bridge there. And, the entire long bridge he builds. Now, when he builds the bridge, Hanuman says, okay, now no problem. And Hanuman jumps on the bridge, and as soon as he jumps, the bridge breaks. So when now the bridge breaks, now Arjun feels very bad that now that bridge is broken, I'll have to enter into fire. So then he lights up the fire, and as soon as he's about to enter the fire, a Brahman appears there. And Brahman says, wait, hold on, what are you doing? So then he says that, Arjun and Hanuman, they tell him whatever has happened. So he said, "Oh, boss, you entered into a challenge, but there was no witness to it. Now again, you perform the same act, and then if Arjun loses, then Arjun can enter into the fire." Okay, no problem. So Arjun again, now this time he takes the name of Krishna. Now he prays to Krishna, he chants Krishna's name, and now he builds a long bridge. Yeah. And now he tells Hanuman, yeah, Hanuman, now you can see if you're able to break the bridge. And Hanuman is jumping, jumping, jumping on the bridge. It is not able to break the bridge. Yeah. And then Hanuman sees, how come the bridge is not breaking? So Hanuman sees that Lord Ram is holding the bridge on his shoulders. And he says, Lord Ram, down. And then he bows down to Lord Ram. And this Brahmana, he is basically, this Brahmana is none other than Lord Ram for Hanuman and Krishna for Arjun. Okay, so then he comes in his original form and he says, that he shows his original form. And then Hanuman says that, yeah, but now that you've won, yeah, so Arjun requests Hanuman that, this Mahabharata war is going to happen. So why don't you help us? Why don't you participate in the war? So the Hanuman says, no, see, I will not be participating in the war, but I will be there on your flag and I will give the war cry. Okay. So that is how Hanuman, comes on this flag and gives a war cry. Okay. So a little nice background of why Hanuman is there on the flag. Okay. There's one more story. I will not cover that in much detail because you all know this story. Once Hanuman was sitting, once Bhima was very proud and of his strength. So Hanuman thought that, it is not good to be very proud. So then Hanuman, he sits in the way of this of Bhima in a disguise of an old monkey. And then, Bhima is very proud. He said, "Hey, monkey, remove your tail. Your tail is coming in my way." So then this old monkey in disguise as, Hanuman, he says that, "Oh, you say I'm so old. I can't pick up my tail. Why don't you pick up my tail and keep it aside?" Monkey gets really very, Bhima gets very angry. He tries to pick up the tail. Tail is so heavy. Hanuman makes it so heavy that then Bhima is not able to pick up the tail. Then Bhima realizes that this old monkey is not an ordinary one, is someone different. So then he begs for forgiveness, and then Hanuman comes in his original form, and then that is how they again Hanuman says again here Bhima tells that why don't you assist us or why don't you come join us in the war? So that time again Hanuman says that I will be there as in the flag of Krishna and I'll give the war cry. Like that, this pastime is there about how Hanuman is there on the flag of uh, chariot of Krishna, of Arjuna. Okay. Now let us recite the shlokas. Everyone, please, you can repeat after me. Yeah. अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा धृतराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः धृतराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः धृतराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शास्त्रसम्पाते प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुर्उद्यमपाण्डवः धनुर्उद्यमपाण्डवः ऋषिकेशां तदा वाक्यम् ऋषिकेशां तदा वाक्यम् इदं माहामहीपते इदं महामहीपते. One more time, let us repeat this. अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा, अथ व्यवस्थितान् दृष्ट्वा, धृतराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः, धृतराष्ट्रान् कपिध्वजः प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते, प्रवृत्ते शस्त्रसम्पाते धनुरुद्यमपाण्डवः, धनुरुद्यमपाण्डवः ऋषिकेशां तदा वाक्यम्, ऋषिकेशां तदा वाक्यम् इदं महामहीपते, इदं महामहीपते. Let's read the translation. At the time, Arjuna, the son of Pandu, seated in the chariot. Yeah, and the chariot was bearing the flag marked with Hanuman. Took up his bow and he was prepared to shoot the arrows. Yeah, the conch shells were already blown and they were prepared to shoot the arrows. Yeah. Then, O king, after looking at the sons of Dhritarashtra drawn in the military array, Arjuna then spoke to Lord Krishna these words. Yeah. So, what did Arjuna speak? What told Lord Krishna is there in the next verse. Come on, everyone, repeat after me. The meaning of this is Arjuna said, O infallible one, he's telling Krishna, please draw my chariot between the two armies. Yeah, he's saying, Krishna, please take my chariot. So on one side there were Kauravas and other side there were Pandavas. So Arjun requests Krishna, Krishna, please take my chariot in in the middle of the battlefield. So I can see Kauravas and I can see the Pandavas. Mainly I want to see the Kauravas. I want to see who is desiring to fight with me. Yeah, that is what he's saying. So let us recite the shloka. अर्जुन वाच, अर्जुन वाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये, सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युता, रथं स्थापयमेच्युता सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये, सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युता, रथं स्थापयमेच्युता यावत् एतान् निरीक्षेऽहम्, यावत् एतान् निरीक्षेऽहम्, यावत् एतान् निरीक्षेऽहम् योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान्, योद्धुकामान् अवस्थितान् कैर्मया सह योद्धारम्, कैर्मया सह योद्धारम् अस्मिन् राणासमुद्यमे, अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे अस्मिन् रणसमुद्यमे one more time अर्जुनवाच सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये रथं स्थापयमेच्युत यावदेतान्निरीक्षेऽहम् योद्धुकामानवस्थिताम् कैर्मया सह योद्धाव्यम् अस्मिन् राणासमुद्यमे अस्मिन् रणासमुद्यमे Okay, so let's go to verse 1.23. He says, Arjuna says, let me see those who have come here to fight, wishing to please evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra. Yeah, so Kauravas, son of Dhritarashtra, were on the Adharma side. So Arjuna says, let me see who have come and who are supporting that evil-minded son of Dhritarashtra. So 1.23. योत्स्यामानानवक्षेऽहम् 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 य एतेऽत्र समागतः य एतेऽत्र समागतः ध्रातराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर् ध्रातराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर् युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः One more time. योत्स्यमानानवक्षेऽहम् योत्स्यमानानवक्षेऽहम् य एतेऽत्र समागतः य एतेऽत्र समागतः ध्रातराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर् ध्रातराष्ट्रस्य दुर्बुद्धेर् युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः युद्धे प्रियचिकीर्षवः Very nice. Let's move to Shloka 1.24. Sanjay said, "O descendant of Bharata." So his Bharata is basically who is talking? He's talking with Dhritarashtra. Yeah, he's telling Dhritarashtra whatever is happening on the battlefield. Having thus been addressed by Arjuna, Lord Krishna, what did he telling? Now, what did Lord Krishna do? After Arjuna requested Krishna that Krishna, please take my chariot in the middle of the battlefield so that I can see the Kaurava army who are desiring to fight with me. So then his Sanjay is telling, O Dhritarashtra, now Lord Krishna, he took the chariot in the midst of both the armies. Okay, let us recite this verse. 1.24. Sanjaya Vacha Sanjay Vacha एवं मुक्तो ऋषिकेशो एवमुक्त ऋषिकेशो गुडाकेशेन भारत गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् one more time संजय उवाच एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेशो एवमुक्तो ऋषिकेशो गुडाकेशेन भारत गुडाकेशेन भारत सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये सेनयोरुभयोर्मध्ये स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम् स्थापयित्वा रथोत्तमम्. Okay, let's move to the next shloka. 1.25. So in the presence of Bhishma, Drona, and all other chieftains of the world, Lord Krishna said, oh, now is Krishna is speaking. Yeah, he said, just behold Partha, all the Kurus have assembled here. Yeah, so behold Arjuna, look at this Kaurava army, all the Kauravas have assembled here. Okay, Kurus, Kuru dynasty, yeah, all the members of Kuru dynasty have assembled here. So, everyone repeat after. Okay. भीष्मद्रोणा प्रमुक्तः भीष्मद्रोणा प्रमुक्तः भीष्मद्रोणा प्रमुक्तः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति समवेतान् कुरुनिति. This is an easy one. Let's repeat again. भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुक्तः भीष्मद्रोण प्रमुक्तः सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम् सर्वेषां च महीक्षिताम्. उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् उवाच पार्थ पश्येतान् समवेतान् कुरुनिति समवेतान् कुरुनिति. Guys, let's go to the next shloka. Okay, 1.26. Yeah. So there, what did Arjuna see? Arjuna could see in the midst of both the armies, yeah, in the midst of armies of both the parties. What could he see? He could see his fathers, his grandfathers, teachers, maternal uncles, brothers, sons, grandsons, friends, and also his father-in-law and all the well-wishers who have assembled to the battlefield on the battlefield to kill each other, to fight. Yeah, that is what he could see. Let us chant the shloka. 1.26. तत् तत्र पार्श्यात् स्थितान् पार्थः तत्र पश्यात् स्थितान् पार्थः तत्र पश्यात् स्थितान् पार्थः पितॄनथ पितामहान् पितॄनथ पितामहान् आचार्यान् मतुलान् भ्रातॄन् आचार्यान् मतुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा स्वसुरान् सुहृदश्चैव ससुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि सेनयोरुभयोरपि Okay, let us repeat one more time. तत्र पश्यास्थितान् पार्थः तत्र पश्यास्थितान् पार्थः पितृनाथा पितामहान् पितृनाथा पितामहान् आचार्यन् मतुलान् भ्रातॄन् आचार्यान् मतुलान् भ्रातॄन् पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा पुत्रान् पौत्रान् सखींस्तथा स्वसुरान् 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 सुहृदश्चैव स्वसुरान् सुहृदश्चैव सेनयोरुभयोरपि सेनयोरुभयोरपि Okay, thank you very much. Please practice this shloka. Thank you. Hare Krishna.